Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Tiburon local and long-distance movers near me. Short-distance moving may be tricky at times. Despite covering a small distance and possibly within a short period of time, the sweet relocation of these items can easily turn sour. For instance, loading, packing, and unloading issues can complicate short-distance relocation. It's usually best to leave tasks like this to the top Tiburon movers in 2023. Here at 3 Movers, we provide professional equipment and packing techniques. Planning and executing a seamless move over a long distance takes a lot of time and effort. Fortunately, this is exactly what Tiburon long-distance 3 Movers enjoy helping clients with. With the right amount of experience, you can tell how well a moving company prioritizes customer satisfaction. Our long-distance movers have first-hand experience, brilliant problem-solving skills, and ethics that set them apart from competitors. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Tiburon moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.